Hello everybody, welcome back to Junior Workshop. This is Junior. Today we're gonna doing our clear coat on our American La France custom pumper from AMT. This one we're gonna build the same way it shows in the box. Just to let you guys know, I had to take off for a couple weeks. I got a family emergency to take care of it, but I'm back. So let's get this done. We're gonna start from the actually front of the truck. My last video, actually, I'll show you guys that I have my engine done. I have my water system done, and the mufflers and stuff like that. I got my interior done. I got some seatbelts built up on it, pretty nice. The pedals are in chrome. The interiors, the floor is on aluminum. Pretty cool. I did all the details in the door. And I paint, actually we paint the wheels when we paint the truck. I got a lot of details on the bracket that hold the water hose system for the truck, and details on the wheels, if you can see right there. I will show you guys the batteries and stuff like that. I got the dashboard done on full detail. See it right there, pretty neat. I show you this now because once we put inside the interior, we actually ain't gonna be able to see it much. See it right there. It's gonna look pretty cool. Let's see if I can get a little closer. Alright, so far that's what I have. Like I said, I had to take off for a couple weeks, but I'm back. Thank you for your support, everybody. Thanks everybody subscribe to my channel. I got 409 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I got more cars to build up. I actually got me a new model, Pontiac Firebird. Pontiac Firebird. And new stash hat. I got this one at the Hobby Lobby from Rebel, and I think I'm gonna go white with this one. You see it right there. It looks badass right there. Pretty car. I haven't opened it yet, so I like to whenever I open them, I like to tape the bottom of the remaining plastic to the box, so you know the box stays intact the way it is. So far that's what I have, and I have another car. Let me show you real quick. It's a die cast already built up. My brother got me this for Christmas. Pretty cool. I haven't opened it yet, but it looks nice. I want to see how it looks. This is a Rolls Royce. From Chi Shane. I haven't opened it yet, but we'll open it soon and see what we got. It looks pretty cool. It shows like it has suicidal doors. The hood's open, the trunk opens. It looks like it shows right here. It looks like lights comes up. If you see right there, that's how it shows. Pretty neat. Right here, see die cast. Let's go 124. Pretty neat. Alright, so now well, let's start doing the clear coat on the fire truck. Let me turn my tripod to the side real quick, and let's do this. Let me turn on my system. Always wear gloves in case you gotta touch one of the parts. And always before you start spraying, wear a mask for safe. You can wear any mask, but if you got like a painting mask, that would be awesome. It's more safety than anything else. Alright. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. Be safe and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't forget my next video. And I will see you soon. Thank you for watching and be safe.